Hey guys, welcome to the Vanity Mirror. Today's episode I am unboxing my Stitch Fix. I am really enjoying doing Stitch Fix. It is so interesting. I'm not really sure what to drag on about, so let's just go ahead and get started with this unboxing. Okay, so my box is open, and by the way, make sure you stick around because at the end of the video, well, towards the end of the video, I will be doing a try-on so I can tell you my thoughts on all of the clothes that I got. So every Stitch Fix comes with a list of all of the products that you got and their prices, so that's always really nice. And then also a little card that shows you ideas of how you could wear the outfit. So I always have loved that about Stitch Fix. So why don't we go ahead and jump into what we got in here. Okay, it looks like I got lots of sweaters, so I'm really excited about that. I love shirts, I love sweaters. I actually got this in a Stitch Fix a couple months ago. I love it. So the first thing in my Stitch Fix box is this guy right here. Ooh, okay, what's the front look like? Okay, that's really interesting, and I'm really curious to see how it would look on. So it's kind of got a salmon pink and white stripes. I definitely love the material, and I think it's super, super cute. And I think I'm gonna like the style. I'm interested to see, again, how it would look on me. I'm really curious about this neckline. So next in the box, we have, ooh, okay. I have another shirt like this from Stitch Fix, actually, that's almost exactly the same, just not the same color. So it's one of those type of shirts that has like the adjustable neck so you could kind of wear it slappily, kind of a thinner material. Oh, this one has pockets though. My shirt doesn't have pockets. It has pockets on both sides. I could see this being really great for going for like a morning walk or something. So there's that one. We have a beautiful, what looks like it's beautiful anyways, like dark lavender sweater. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. Look at this. I love the color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's definitely see-through, so gotta wear something underneath it. Or don't. Do you. And it has this really cute like strap that goes across the back there. That is beautiful. It is going to be hard for me to turn that down if I decide to turn everything down, because I might. We'll see. But let's see what's next. I kind of thought this was a scarf when I was looking in here, but it's not. It is a really cute, just like plaid. Oh, cute, and it's like a half button. I love that. It's not a full button, but this looks so cute. This is something that I don't have very much of, but I've worn stuff like this before and I love it. So I may really like this. I'm looking forward to seeing. It hangs back low in the back. It hangs down low in the back, and I love that style on shirts. This looks so cute. I can't wait to try that out. So I'm seeing the last thing at the bottom of my box here, and I'm highly suspicious that it's something I've already gotten in a box before. Oh, it's a vest. Yeah, I don't like vests. If you've seen any of my Stitch Fix unboxings before, you know that I am not a fan of vests. I actually just don't like them. This is a olive green vest that comes with a hoodie. I'm not into it, to be perfectly honest with you, but I like the color. If this was like a full jacket, like with sleeves, I might like it. By the way, if you like vests, great for you. I don't like vests for me. I haven't told you how much anything is, but if you stick around for the try-on, you will see as I wear the items how much they all cost. All right, let's do it. Audio Jungle. Okay, you guys, so here's the lowdown. My favorite was this purple sweater. Oh, I am in love with it, and I think this is what I'm gonna get from the box. I typically try to get like one item from the box, but one time I did get the whole box. But I am only getting one item, and it's gonna be this purple sweater. Price of your box goes towards anything you buy in it. So since this is $44, I will only be paying an extra $24 to purchase this. So let's talk about some of the other stuff. That pink and white striped shirt, I didn't like that one that much. I liked the neckline actually, if you saw my little dance. For some reason it made me think of like Grease and Sandra Dee as like an innocent little girl. I don't know why, I just loved that neckline. But the rest of the shirt kind of looked like a bag. It kind of looked a little just like, wasn't a fan of the fit, I guess is what I'm saying, of that shirt. So that's why I'm not getting that one. Okay, now let's talk about the gray hoodie-like sweatshirt thing. I liked it okay. I thought it looked cute. I really liked the way it fit me. I liked that it had pockets. I thought that was adorable. But it's so similar to another shirt that I just recently got in a Stitch Fix that I was just kind of deciding to pass that along because of that. Let's talk about that plaid shirt. I actually really liked that shirt. That was probably my second favorite thing in the box for sure. Something else I would definitely probably consider getting. I thought it looked really cute on me. I liked the style, but I feel like I can find that probably anywhere, even Target, probably for a lot cheaper. Probably something very similar that fits very similarly and looks very similar. So that's part of why I decided not to get that one. I definitely am a bargain hunter in that way, where if I know I can get good quality clothing for a lot cheaper, I will do it. And I actually really like Target's clothes. And last, talk about the vest. I'm really sorry if you like those things. This is nothing to do with you personally, I promise. This is because I don't like vests. If it had sleeves, I might have liked it a little bit better. The collar was all wonky, the strings were too much, and the hood was kind of weird on a vest. It just felt strange. I didn't like it. I kind of actually liked the way it fit through like my waist and hips. So if that was in jacket form, I think I would have liked it a lot more. So that is everything that I got in my Stitch Fix. Tried on. I love this purple sweater. I'm definitely going to get it. I'm totally smitten with it. Sometimes you go in thinking this is just gonna be for fun. Let's play dress up. And then sometimes you're like, let's buy it! So I bought it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this Stitch Fix unboxing on the Vanity mirror with Variety Ellie. That's a lot of titles. Please subscribe by hitting the tempting red button underneath my video, and I will see you later. If you have seen any of my Stitch Fix unboxing,